is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, first and foremost, I've been gone a very long time. I'm sorry about that. I said I was gonna do my speedy review. Well, it's back there, so I'm forcing myself to do it. And that was probably a few weeks ago, and I don't think I've posted a video since then. But I went on vacation, but not really vacation. I went back home, and I just did not film anything, did not bring that many bags with me or buy that much stuff. And so I didn't feel like filming anything, and the internet was extremely slow. And so I just decided to wait until I'm back. But the funny thing is that I'm back now. It's been, I think, 48 to 72 hours, and I'm like leaving again tonight, tomorrow. I don't know when this video is up, but I'm leaving again, and I'm so tired, you guys. But I wanted a bag, or I wanted to accessorize one of my bags for this upcoming trip that I'm going on right now. And so yeah, with all that being said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into the video. So yeah, this is the bag that I wanted to accessorize. I wanted to have a bag with me that was a little bit dressy, or could be a little bit more dressy, but also could be a very casual bag that fits my phone, my wallet, and maybe a small or a few small miscellaneous items. And my favorite is one of my favorite bags from Louis Vuitton. It's just there's something on this bag that I do not like. After owning it for a few years now, I've really decided to upgrade it, as I would like to say, and that's why I went to Louis Vuitton. And so the first thing I'm going to show you guys are the free samples that the sales associate gave me. She was very kind. We had like a nice little conversation about movies and stuff, because I'm a big movie person. She was a big movie person, and we got along. She gave me little candies and everything too, but I think she gave me like a mixture of men's and women's perfume, cologne, scents. I think like 8 or 9 or 10 of them. And so I think I'll take some of these with me on my trip. I'm only leaving for a week. I'm going to Florida for a week, back to Florida after being in Florida for 4 weeks. I'm going back for a week. Oh my gosh. And yeah, then I got this. And this is really cool. I wasn't expecting to like get it wrapped or anything. I know that Louis Vuitton, their stuff automatically comes like packaged and everything, but usually if you're buying something small, at least that's happened to me in the past when it comes to buying something during, I think it's like the winter or Christmas collection packaging, whatever it is, they don't give me this. They'll give me the normal packaging, and I'm not a stickler for this type of packaging. I really don't care, but they did, and I was pleasantly surprised. It looks like a bunch of Legos. I think that's what they're doing this year, at least at the one that I went to. There are a bunch of Legos sets and Lego things being built in the store, outside of the store. And so yeah, I'm going to show you guys. It came packaged like this. I've been holding out. I've been waiting to unbox it so I can pack it in my carry-on bag right now. What else is there? There's something in here. Oh. Oh, that smells very good. This is the receipt. Oh, I also bought a sweater somewhere, but this is what I got. And you guys can let me know if you know what it is. If you don't know what it is, I'm pretty sure you do. I mean, context clues here. You have to put one and one together. But yeah, I'm going to open it. I don't want to pull the string like off. Okay, it's a little drawstring or pull box. What? It's not a drawstring. It's a pull box. Oh, it's a pull string. Well, then you take this out, and I'm still, you know, suspense, y'all. What is it? It is the Louis Vuitton monogram canvas shoulder strap with an adjustable length slash height. Length. Oh, I have to, give me 1 second, you guys, while I try to manage this thing. This is the first time that I've had it out of the box and out of the dust bag. I'm gonna make it longer because I'm taller. I'm like 5'8", 5'9", and when I tried it on in store, it was a little too short, but I also had it on the shortest setting. And so this is the strap, and as you can see, this little leather strap right here is going to come all the way off, and it's going to be replaced by this wonderful monogram strap. Okay, let's see. And this is what it looks like with it on. Oh, this is what it looks like with it on, you guys. It looks so much better in my opinion. So I'm going to show you guys pictures and videos of it on, or me with it on, but I'm going to explain why I wanted to do this or what my reasoning was behind it, because for some people adding on an extra strap for a couple $100 to a bag might not be worth it. But I'm going to justify my purchases, not that I have to, but maybe if you're in the same boat as I am, if you have this bag and you've been thinking about getting this strap or adding this strap, it'll just be why I did it. And so first and foremost, I love this bag. Like I said, it's just an easy, everyday, can be casual, can be dressy bag. And the leather strap, I did like it, and I still do like it, and maybe I will keep it. I'm not going to throw this away or anything like that. But when there's a lot of wear, this end piece right here, because it's not a lobster clasp, I think this is what it's called, it really stretches and it starts looking ugly, it starts feeling ugly, and it starts creasing and cracking really bad. And I don't know if you guys, if I'll insert pictures or not, or videos or not, but I just don't like the way that that looks. I know that that's leather, and if you use leather enough, it will start looking like this. I just don't like it, and I feel like it's going to rip or something. I feel like it's going to break. I feel like if I pull it too hard, it like will just snap. And so I didn't feel really secure with this strap, and I just wondered to myself why they didn't make two of these. Like, I don't think the price difference would be that much. I could be totally wrong, but I'm assuming it would only be a couple of bucks, and for me it would have made the bag, or this strap at least, a lot more versatile than what it is now. And so with this bag, how I wear it is, if I'm not wearing it with the leather strap, I'm usually only wearing it with this little gold chain. Like, that's when I'm going out and I need something small, and I don't even miss the shoulder or the crossbody strap. I just wear it with this, and it stays underneath my armpit, and that's how I wear it. But I do miss it sometimes as a crossbody bag, and so that's why I got this. I also thought to myself that if I get another bag, because I was thinking maybe I wanted another Speedy in monogram canvas, that I could wear this strap instead of, because I'm pretty sure it has a leather strap as well, I could have or add this strap to it, or any bag that is monogram canvas in my collection, I could add this strap if I wanted to. I don't think it hurts. Also, I don't remember the exact price of this bag when I purchased it. Pretty sure I got it for 500 something bucks, give or take 400 to 600 bucks I paid for this bag. And I have had it for a few years now. I wear it all the time. I love it. I'm gonna keep it for as long as I possibly can, until it crumbles, it's shredded, it's demolished, and I don't see myself getting rid of it anytime soon. And so I want to increase the longevity of it, and the way for me to do that are to add things that do that. And so adding a strap just seemed like the best and smartest idea for me. But for 500 bucks, I think I paid for this bag for 500 bucks. Adding on, I think this was 300 bucks. Still, I got a Louis Vuitton bag for 800 bucks I've paid now, which right now, currently, you don't get that. You can't even like dream of that. It's not possible anymore. Even the toiletry pouch is more than that. And so even to begin with, that I got this bag for that cheap, and then to add a nicer strap to make it look, in my opinion, 20 times better, just seems like a nice investment. Maybe not investment, but a smart purchase. And I think focusing on the things that you already have and maybe accessorizing them, making them a little different, adding things on to them to maybe make you fall in love with the bag again and make it look like a new bag, makes your collection a little bit more fun. You don't get as bored as often, and you also won't buy as many things to fill a void, because the void has been filled with a tiny purchase rather than a big purchase. I mean, you're still filling a void. Like this was filling a void, but this void for 300 bucks is still better than a 2,500, 3,000 buck void. And so yeah, with all that being said, that is it, you guys. That's all I purchased. I think when I get back, I'm going to go back to the Louis Vuitton store, check out some bags that I like. Like I said, I've only been home for, I think, 48 hours now, and I didn't have time to like shop around or anything, but I'll be back home in a week after this trip, and I'll go back to the store and see what I can find, see what I like, see what looks good on me. Probably, hopefully, maybe one day get the Bot Chapeau Soufflé MM, because I've been talking about this bag for years now, and I haven't gotten it, but I love it. And so yeah, I'm in love with this bag, you guys. I'm very happy to have this strap. Maybe in the future, I will have more Louis Vuitton bags that I can use this strap with. And if not, I'll use this strap on other bags that I have that are not Louis Vuitton. I know that I think it looks tacky. I personally think it looks tacky, but I'm gonna get use out of this $300 something euro strap. I know in dollars, it's probably more money, but in euros, it's 300 euros. So sucks to pay dollars. So yeah, with all that being said, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and bye.